It's no use. I'm just too old to catch my dinner like in the good old days. The ticker just can't take it anymore. There must be an easier way to get 3 square meals a day. That gives me an idea for a perfect setup.
Say, you're not a dog, you're a wolf. Get off of my land before I fill you full of lead.
No. Wait, kind shepherd. If you hire me as your sheepdog, it won't cost you a penny.
Say, you can't work much cheaper than that.
All I want is a place to rest this weary old body.
You can't pull the wool over my eyes. Any half-wit knows that wolves eat sheep.
But I'm toothless and can't chew.
Oh, yeah? But you can still swallow a hunk of meat.
Oh, no, sir. I'm under strict doctor's orders not to eat lamb. It's fattening and high in cholesterol, which is bad for an old ticker like mine.
Gosh, you can't disobey your doctor.
Right. So you see, I can't be tempted by sheep. Do I get the job?
Yep. Now that I got me a sheepdog, I can take it easy.
Being a sheepdog is gonna ruin my slim figure. But that's an occupational hazard I'll just have to put up with. It's a happy day. Toodle-oodle-oodle-oodle-oodle-ay. Hiya, boss. I'm taking my pet pooch for his daily walk.
Hey, what kind of a dog is that?
Why, anyone can see that she's a genuine pedigreed French poodle.
By golly, do you mean she comes from Gay Paris?
Oui.
How about it, doggy? Let's hear you say something in French. Say, she barks just like a sheep.
Well, you see, it's just a coincidence. That's just how a dog's bark sounds in French.
How about that? You're never too old to learn something new. Now I can understand French.
I gotta get rid of that dumb shepherd so as I can get me a square meal without any interference. Here's a special delivery letter for you, boss.
Well, what do you know? I'm invited to my brother John's wedding tomorrow.
That's great. I've packed your bag and here's your train ticket.
Here comes the bride.
Have a nice trip. There's nothing better than roast lamb.
Say there! Oh, I just remembered. I ain't got a brother John. I'm an only child. Shucks. And I was looking forward to having such a good time at that wedding, too. Say, what are you doing here in that get-up?
Boss, I was just trying on my Halloween costume for the masquerade party next week. How do you like it?
By golly, you're really cooking with that get-up. I made a funny.
Listen, boss, it's a wolf howling. He sounds hungry. Go blast him before he gets any of the sheep. Lamb stew is my favorite dish.
Say, that was no wolf. It was this phonograph. What's going on round here anyway?
It's my bath.
Hey, what are them carrots doing in your bath, huh?
Oh, it's doctor's orders. Carrots add vitamin C to the water, and that's very healthy.
Oh, sure. Them doctor fellas think of everything. But if your bath water ain't hot enough, it won't get the vitamins out of them carrots. So I'm gonna do you a favor and make it plenty hot for you. Is it getting hot enough for you yet? The sporting thing to do is to get them on the rise.